Hey guys, today we're going to build a number guesser in Python, and it's going to look like this. So we'll get a welcome message. It'll say something to the effect of, welcome, guess a number correctly between 1 and 10. What is your guess? We'll say 1. That is incorrect. 2 tries remaining. 2. Incorrect. 1 try remaining. 3. Incorrect. Game over. The winning number was 10. Would you like to play again? And if we press Y, they'll say, welcome, guess a number correctly between 1 and 10. What is your guess? And we can play again if we want. And that is the gist of what we'll be doing. So if we break down the requirements, we, 1, display a welcome message. We, 2, generate a random number to guess. 3, we give the user 3 tries to guess the random number, and 4, we give the user the option to play again. So let's just do this one by one. Display a welcome message. So this is an easy one. Just create a variable, call it display welcome message, call it welcome. Let's say you have 3 tries to guess a random number between 1 and 10. Sorry, it's a little lengthy. And then print welcome message. Welcome, you have 3 tries to guess a random number between 1 and 10. Cool. So we got that done. Step number 2, generate a random number to guess. So in Python, we have a library called the random library. And we can import that. So we'll say import random. Give that a comment, standard library imports. So what we can do is we can say the winning number equals random.randint. And what does randint do? It says return a random integer in range A to B, including both endpoints. So if we do randint 1 to 10, this will return a random integer between 1 and 10. And we can test this. We can do print winning number, and it'll do 10, 7, 9, 10, 4, 2. You get the point, but it'll keep giving us a different number. So we have generated a random number to guess. Let's do step 3, give the user 3 tries to guess the random number. Okay, this is going to be the hardest part of the 4. So what we'll do is we'll create a random variable, we'll create a variable called tries remaining, and we'll say with 3 because we're starting with 3 tries, and we'll say while tries remaining is greater than 0, because once we have 0 tries remaining, we're obviously done. We will give the user a guess. So guess equals input from the user, and we'll say, what is your guess? And then we'll put this little new line symbol right here, this \n. What this does, I'll show you. If we were to take input right now, when it takes the input, it's next to the question. But if we have the new line in there, then our answer is going to be beneath the question. Just a little formatting trick right there. So, something else we'll need to do, we'll need to convert this to an integer, because I'll show you why. We're next going to check if guess is equal to the winning number. And the winning number is an integer, right? It's a number. So our guess has to be a number. It has to be an integer. If we didn't do this, then anything we type here is going to come through as text. Even if we type a number, it's going to come through as text. So we want to convert this to an integer. If guess equals winning number, print congratulations, you win. And then we're going to break out of our while loop because we don't need to guess anymore. We have 1. And then we'll say else. So if the guess is not the winning number, we'll say print incorrect, you have, let's make this an F string. So you have tries remaining, tries left. And what this is doing, this F string right here, so if we put an F in front of our text, what we can do is we can use curly brackets inside of the text, and we can put other kinds of Python stuff in here, like variables, or we could do like 20 times 2. I thought we could do that anyway. Let me try this actually. Yeah, okay. I just wanted to make sure it was just not formatting properly in my editor. But we can do Python stuff, not just text stuff in here. So what we'll do is we'll have tries remaining. So if we do this, it'll say, what is your guess? 1. Congratulations. Oh, nice. We got it on our first try. Let's try it again, though. Incorrect. You have 3 tries left. But that's not right, because we should have 2 tries left after we get it wrong. So what we want to do is we want to say tries remaining minus equals 1. And that is the same thing as saying tries remaining equals tries remaining minus 1. Those two statements, lines 26 and 27, are exactly the same. We're basically just saying minus 1 from tries remaining. So instead of 3, we have 2 now, right? What is your guess? 1, you have 2 tries left. 2, incorrect, you have 1 try left. 3, incorrect, you have 0 tries left. We should get, so we know if we have 0 tries left that we have lost. So we want to say after this loop, we want to say if tries remaining equals 0, print game over, the winning number was, and then let's do another F string. The winning number was winning number. Okay, so what is your guess? 1, 2, 3, incorrect. Game over, the winning number was 8. Cool. So we have done number 3 then. Give the user 3 tries to guess the random number. Cool. Last one, give the user the option to play again. So what we're going to have to do here, when we think of how do we play again, that means we have to run all of this code again. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to put this into a function. So let's call this the play number guesser, is what we'll call it. And then what we'll do is we'll create a variable. We'll say play again equals user input, and we'll ask the user, would you like to play again? And we'll just do that new line like we did up here so that the answer comes out underneath the question. And we'll say if play again is equal to, let's do y or n. So yes or no. We'll say if play again equals y, return play number guesser. Else if play again equals n, let's give them a goodbye message. Let's say have a great day. So let's play our game. Oh, nothing popped up. I was like, what's going on here? It's because we need to call our function now. So play number guesser. Now that we've called our function, it'll come up. Welcome, you have 3 tries to guess a random number between 1 and 10. What is your guess? Let's say 1, incorrect, you have 2 tries left. What is your guess? 2, incorrect, you have 1 try left. What is your guess? 3, incorrect, you have 0 tries left. Game over, the winning number was 4. Would you like to play again? And if we do y, welcome, awesome, it's going to play again. We can guess again. It'll tell us again, would you like to play again? And this time if we click N for no, have a great day. Awesome. So we have accomplished what we set out to do. If we wanted to clean up our output a little bit, because this is a little bulky in my opinion, what I did in the example is just before the guess, we had 30 dashes printing out here. So you'll see then this then divides it up into logical chunks. What is your guess? 1, incorrect. 2, would you like to play again? Right, like this is, it's a little nicer, but you can format your output however you want to. I am going to mess around with this, and then I will post this to GitHub. I'll post that link in the description. You can study that if you want. It'll have a little bit more in depth. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to drop a question in the comments. I will answer it. And yeah, please, if this helped you at all, if you enjoyed the tutorial, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.